So this is my kayak. This is how it looks during the day with all the gadgets on it. My camera, fish finder, everything. As you can see, I stayed up to 2 o'clock last night installing brand new lights on this kayak. I got the digital panel on there and everything. Light switches, I have a light for each individual, a light switch for each individual light. As you can see, that's on my kayak. And I even have a light switch for my actual fish finder. So, it's gonna be more to come. This was not an easy task, installing those lights on this kayak with that digital switch with my voltmeter and everything on it. So, hey, I'm getting ready and I'm coming. And I just want to show everybody what I did and how I rigged up my kayak. And I am a beginner at kayak fishing, but I'm getting ready for the summer, the spring and the summer. All right.